Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Today we are going to show you how to make a lot of money online. Listen very closely. We are going to show you how to make ton of money as a newbie using this Chinese website that is not that popular to the public. This website has been a secret kept by many people. If you really take every action that we are going to be showing you in this video, we promise you that you will succeed. So pay a very good attention to everything we are going to be showing you. We are going to take you step by step and show you what exactly we are going to do. So the first website you need to go to is Alibaba.com. A lot of people out there like you go to Amazon, eBay, Shopify to shop for products, but this website is a treasure that many people are not using. But a lot of people that know what they are doing are making a ton of money using this website. So this website right here is a website where you source your product to resell on places like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and the rest. Almost all the products you see on Amazon and Shopify comes from this website right here. The products on this website are very cheap and it's very easy to do, guys. Let's say you type in the search bar right here, dogs, DOGS, and hit enter. Let it load. And on this page, if you scroll down, keep scrolling down, right here, this product is selling $1.20 a piece for 150 pieces. Guys, all you need to do is to buy this product from this website in bulk or as many as you can, because it's very cheap, guys, and you can resell this same product for $10 for one piece, guys. This is cheap. This one right here is selling for 0.9 cent a piece, and all you need to do is to buy this product in bulk and resell them to people for a profit, even $10 plus, guys. As you can see, this one 95 cents, this one $1.99. Scroll down, this one, which is a dog eating bowl, selling for just $3, guys. You can buy this in bulk and resell in a profit of $6 to $8, guys. This is awesome. This one for just $1 a piece, guys. This is a market for you to start right now. You can do this wherever part of the world you live. And if we keep scrolling down, there are a lot of cheap products on this website that you can buy in bulk and start making a lot of money from. What you want to do is spend less and sell more and get more money. And these products right here is cheap. The next thing is, how do you know what is already popular, what is already selling, or what people are looking for to buy? So we're going to take you to the second site, which is related to the first site. This site is called Aliexpress.com. So probably what we did is that we moved from Alibaba.com to Aliexpress.com right here. So this website is where you can go to find what is really selling or what people are really buying on the market. So we are going to type in dogs again in the search bar to see what is already selling in the dog niche. Hit enter and wait for it to load. And right on this page, if we scroll down, we are going to see a lot of dog products that are really selling and doing well on the market. This one has sold over 7,000. This one has sold over 8,000. And guys, if you scroll down, you will see that there are a lot of product to source from on this website and get your info. And these products are already popular. So once you have found the products of your choice on Aliexpress.com, remember, a product that is doing very well in sale, then you go back to Alibaba and buy that product at a very cheap rate and resell it. And guys, it doesn't have to be only in the dog niche. You can do this in whatever niche you want. It could be the cat niche, the cooking niche, or fitness niche, whatever niche at all, guys. Once you find the product you want to resell, you can place an order from whatever country you are from, and you will get the product delivered to you. Then you check the quality of the product and then you resell it at a higher price. Make sure you go through the process we just explained in the video. Watch the video again if you miss out on anything. It is totally free to watch. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new video when we post a new video. And if you have any comments, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.